this option right here must be turned on. So yes, you need to enable auto tagging when you use Google Ads or Google Analytics. I'm inside my Google Ads account here, admin settings, and check for this one. New accounts will have this on by default. Older accounts, you might need to do it manually. Why? It's such an important thing. When you turn this on, Google will attach a parameter with a click identifier every time someone clicks on an ad. This parameter is then used to measure conversion, to understand when someone converts. So it's very important. Google Analytics uses to report data about your Google Ads, and Google Ads uses to measure conversions and then to optimize your ads delivery. If you use Pixel Your Site, we have an extra setup. I have a video about it that covers situation when this parameter is removed. Safari, for example, removes this parameter. And we have a backup plan, a backup solution. Watch that video. If you use our new plugin Conversion Exporter, I'm talking about this plugin, this one, we detect click identifiers, we store them for WooCommerce orders and for WordPress forms that are configured as a conversion inside the plugin. And then when we send the data to Google Ads, we send this parameter as well. And also Conversion Exporter has a solution, a backup solution for situation when this parameter is missing. So click identifier missing. I have another video on our YouTube channel about this too. Watch that video. So make sure you have auto tagging turned on, because this is the main way Google understands conversions, measure conversions. There is an alternative to this. If the Google identifier is missing, Google can detect and use user data like email addresses, like names or phone numbers. I will make another video about that, so watch that video too. But for now, just make sure that you have auto tagging turned on, and ideally that you use our plugins to install Google Analytics and Google Ads tags, Pixel Your Site, and to send conversions directly to Google from WooCommerce or WordPress forms, Conversion Exporter. Thank you for watching.